Hi, it's Heather Michet with Across the Fence Farm. A little spring, early spring update for you here at Across the Fence Farm. Just going to see what's growing and thriving and starting to pop its head out of the soil and what's going on. There's some pretty cool things happening. And I also want to talk about this great plant, which is sorrel. Not this plant, which is a very invasive, we'll call it a weed. But man, once those get started, get on by. So interesting that this sorrel has migrated, and I'm going to say that it migrated by seed from the very small plant I have in a container. Sorrel loves to spread. Could you tell? Look at that sorrel all around Elsa the apple tree. And I'm wondering why the sorrel loves it here. I wonder if there's some communication going on between the two or three or more plant and soil organisms here. With maybe Elsa was calling for something that the sorrel has, and perhaps, or vice versa, that the soil over here is something that the sorrel needs. In any case, I'm going to be potting up a bunch of these sorrel plants and offering them out to folks. Sorrel, if you don't have any or have not grown it, is a delicious salad green, and has a little bit of lemony, mustardy bit to it. It's also really good to use in other dishes for cooking, so check it out. And as I also showed in a prior video, look at these blossoms happening on Elsa. This is my very first fruit tree, Elsa the apple tree, a semi-dwarf graft of Gala and Fuji. Yep, so Elsa the apple tree, great story. And I'm also going to do a video telling the story of why this is so significant for me to have my first fruit tree in another video. So stay tuned. And going on with the sorrel and what else is happening. So again, the sorrel here, get some if you can and grow it. And again, be aware, it spreads. So container is best, unless you want it all over everywhere. So great surprise this last couple weeks is finding some purple dead nettle. This right here, coming up in several spots in my yard. Yay! I'm stoked. First time I've ever had it in this great land that I'm blessed to live on. So that's exciting. Sweet little pink flowers. And I've not studied up too much yet on the qualities and offerings of the purple dead nettle regarding medicinal value and any culinary value. So I'll keep you posted on that, and we'll do a video once I know more. Loads and loads of St. John's wort starting to green up, come up, and the raspberries getting their new growth already. It seems a little bit early, but maybe not. We've got some flower buds right here. Exciting. And I really need to feed these raspberries. I need to get some either shavings or liquid fertilizer on them, some fish fertilizer, because they did not do great last year. And I just am not sure why. I think the soil just needs really to get boosted. So that's in the task list. You can see there's plenty of beautiful dandelion coming up and around. I'll be picking those to make a little salad, throw in some of the dandelion greens. It'll be a yummy, yummy little feast. We also have some tulips starting to bloom. Beautiful. Got sun next couple days, and we've had the sun yesterday, today, and the day before, so the blooms are saying, okay, let's go. And then interspersed here, these tall sword-like guys. This is crocosmia, one of my very favorite plants. Oh gosh, beautiful flowers that the hummingbirds absolutely go crazy for. I love it. And notice that I have left these crocosmia stems from last year just to let them break down and offer nutrients into the soil. One last thing in the edible realm to show you is my blue crop blueberry. It is starting to bud out with leaves and flower buds right here. Right here. Exciting. My other two are doing well as well. Chandler variety, ginormous, and Darrow. This guy here, my blue crop, is just getting a little bit too much shade from the bitter cherry tree right there, which is an Oregon native. Great one to have. Oh my gosh, so good. The birds go crazy for those berries in the fall. The tree just vibrates. So that's the very tiny walkabout of what's going on here at Across the Fence Farm. A very small area, I will add. So stay tuned for more views and tips and gardening and healthy and sustainable living. Thank you for watching. And remember to think about the pollinators and all of the other organisms as we all work together to live well, healthfully, and harmoniously on this beautiful planet. Keep great care.